Hello, welcome to the channel. I Prapti Jaiswal welcome you all to Prapti's Holistic Homeo. In this video, we will see paper pattern of FMT. And if you have not seen the full syllabus, I have made video on it. So please go and check it out. First, you see the syllabus and then come to the paper pattern. So for the paper pattern, we all know that 100 marks theory paper will be there. So out of which 10 MCQ, 8 SCQ and 5 LAQ will be present. So for SCQ, for MCQ, there will be 10 MCQ, from which one MCQ will be from personal identification. If you know the syllabus, then you will be able to understand what here we are talking about. Then death and medical legal importance का से एक MCQ रहेगा. One MCQ will be from injury and its medical legal importance. Then virginity, impotence and sterility, abortion, sexual offences. One question will be present from any of these. General toxicology, corrosive, irritant, poison. Say one questions, and 2 MCQ will be from miscellaneous poisons. So approximately 5 MCQs will be from the poisons, from toxicology, and 1 will be from clinical toxicology part 2. So if you don't know what is part 2 and part 1, go and check the syllabus. Then in SCQ we have to study 8, and out of which only 2 SCQ will be from FMT, FM, and rest of the questions will be from T. Okay, here also 2 MCQs were there from FM and rest is from toxicology. Okay, so 2 MCQ will be present from FM, forensic medicine, and 2 SCQs will be present from FM. So introduction to FMT, medical ethics or legal procedures, may say first SCQ will be asked, and 1 SCQ will be asked from personal identification, from forensic medicine, and rest of the SCQs will be of toxicology. So more weightage is for toxicology. I have told you already in my syllabus video. So virginity, impotency and sterility, abortion, sexual offences. So from these questions, any 1 SCQ will become from these topic. Okay, then from general toxicology 1 SCQ will be asked. Then from all the corrosive poisons which we will be studying or which we have studied, उसमें से कोई एक poison आएगा. Okay, then asphyxiant poison से कोई एक आएगा, neurotic poison में से कोई एक आएगा, and cardiac poison में से कोई एक आएगा. Okay, then उसके बाद for LAQ 5 LAQ will be there. Then उसमें से 1 LAQ will be from forensic medicine and the rest 4 will be from toxicology. So 1 LAQ will be from forensic medicine, that is death and its medical legal procedure. Okay, so death and its medical legal procedure पे एक LAQ रहेगा, and then rest 4 will be from toxicology. 1 will be from injury, 1 will be from again virginity, impotency and sterility, abortion or sexual offences. Then 1 question will be from irritant poison, and 1 question will be from legislation, which I have already told you in my syllabus. So this is the paper pattern of forensic. So this is the paper pattern for FMT of our second year BHMS. I hope it helped you all. So ये जब अभी हमारे सामने है, it will be easier for us if we keep the syllabus in front of us and then we keep the paper pattern in front of us and then we study. So it becomes easier for us to understand, and I try to make very simple and crisp and clear for you all to understand. So if you have not seen my video, just go and see my videos, and if you have any doubt or if you want me to make any particular topic, you can surely comment me down below and I will consider that point. If you have any positive or negative feedbacks, that also you can give me in the comment section. I will look forward towards that. And if you really like the channel or it really helped, you can consider subscribing or share it with your friends and juniors. Thank you for watching.